Did your eBay business account get suspended? Or maybe you wish your products were seen by more people? The solution is in 2 words: stealth accounts. And today, I'll explain how to create them and keep them safe from IP address bans. Besides the personal details you enter when registering, eBay tracks your browser fingerprint, like hardware and software settings, cookies, IP address, and more. And if the platform traces back several accounts to the same fingerprint, your profile might get banned. But luckily, you can build a new digital identity using antidetect browsers and proxies. So how does it work exactly? At first glance, an antidetect browser looks exactly like the apps you use daily, such as Chrome or Firefox. But in fact, a stealth browser spoofs your software, hardware, and other digital parameters so it becomes unrecognizable. This isn't done at random. The fingerprint is intentionally made as generic as possible, but also different from the one your device has. And the best part is, you can set up multiple browser profiles on one device and have separate browsing environments that can't be linked to each other. The role of proxies is to act as intermediaries between you and the internet and change your IP address. This way, eBay can't track your actual IP and locate you. For e-commerce websites, I suggest using residential proxies as they come from real user devices and are trickier to detect. Plus, you can target more precise geolocations and make an IP match the city assigned to your eBay account. You can also opt for dedicated IPs or shared IPs with prolonged sticky sessions. See, when your IP changes, eBay takes it as you move from one physical location to another. So it's better to avoid frequent IP rotation unless, well, you want to be flagged. Proxies can be manually added to any stealth profile, but the integration process depends on the service you're using. Today I'll use Smart Proxies X Browser. It's a free antidetect browser you get by purchasing one of the proxy plans, so it's a handy option if you don't want to pay for 2 different products. I'll leave the provider's link in the description. But of course, you can go with any other stealth browser or proxy service of your choice. When you log into the app, click New Profile and name it. For future convenience, I'd choose a name that matches the eBay account title. This way, it's easier to differentiate which browser profile to reuse for a session. Each eBay account should have a dedicated digital fingerprint, so don't mix those up. Now, proxy tag. Choose residential and authenticate by selecting user. X Browser doesn't require you to enter any passwords, so that's also time efficient. Then select a proxy location. It should be consistent with the address you'll use for your eBay account. For session type, select sticky sessions. I'll go for 30 minutes. That should be enough for an eBay account setup. The following section covers fingerprint settings. For the platform, choose an operating system that matches your devices. Then pick the screen size and language. In the next section, you might add a default URL and a description, but that's not essential. Save the profile and start the session. No matter which stealth browser you use, I'd recommend adding cookie farming to your to-do list. This practice will drastically increase your success rate and requires minimal effort. Simply scroll through the eBay products, click on them, add them to your wish list, and leave it there. Close the profile, and then come back after a day or 2. Now your browser profile is all warmed up. To make a business account, you'll have to confirm your identity. Don't try to fake the data. Instead, approach a person you know, like a colleague, friend, or family member, and ask permission to use their info. Oh, but I wouldn't recommend repeatedly entering the same address if that person lives with you. Rent a PO box and register under its address instead. Also, if you're linking your business account with PayPal, don't use the same PayPal profile several times. Again, approach someone you know and borrow their details. But what specific details do you have to provide? When you sign up as an individual seller, you must give a full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and banking details. Sometimes you'll be asked to upload proof of identification, like a driver's license or passport copy. For a registered business account, you'll be asked to specify your legal business name, employer identification number, business address, and phone number. You'll also have to add individual identification information for beneficial owners, directors, or account managers. The main difference between the types is that an individual seller account allows you to sell up to 10 products per month with lower selling fees. though the registered business type lets you customize your e-page and list more items. So at the end, it's a matter of how many accounts you want to make and how many products you sell. So your account was approved, but you'll still need to put in some work into keeping your accounts safe. One way to get flagged is by listing the same products using the same images, descriptions, titles, categories, or pricing. Treat each of your accounts as a separate brand. Change the wording, add different pictures, and if possible, sell different products. If you've attached a PayPal account, consider always leaving some money in it. Don't withdraw money after every sale, especially when you sell high-risk items. This will help you blend in better among other sellers and raise fewer suspicions in both PayPal and eBay's eyes. And finally, stay consistent regarding browser fingerprints. As I briefly mentioned before, always use proxies from the exact location you chose first and don't switch between assigned browser profiles. If you made it this far, type #MadeIt in the comments. I want to see how many of you are watching our videos till the end. Click on the link in the description to learn more about Smart Proxy's anti-detect browser, and I'll see you in another video.